How's it going, guys? Yomitosh here, back with another video. And with recent acquirement of my iPhone SE running on iOS 11.1.2, which is prime for jailbreak at this point in time, I decided to get myself a case. And seeing that I already have the UAG for my iPhone 7, which just looks gorgeous. It grips well, it looks good, and it's just great. I decided to get myself a UAG case for the iPhone SE. So taking a look at the box, looks good. We've got the sign that says for iPhone SE/5S, drop tested, approved, and that UAG, that beautiful UAG looking case. So flipping this tab open, which is a nice tab, you can pull out the case, and there you have it, the ash color UAG case for the iPhone SE, looking great as all UAG cases. So you've got the button layouts which feel good and pretty sure they'll be very tactile. The power button with the grooved edges, and the sides, the one on the SE doesn't have the slight ridges. You've got clear cutouts for all your ports and I/O, including a very big space for the camera, which I believe is to prevent glare from the flash. So putting the case in right now, quite a tight fit, but when it goes in there, you're pretty sure that it's secured to the best it can be. Light case, but very durable and strong. So now I'll be jailbreaking this device soon enough. When the jailbreak tweak is out, the jailbreak utility rather is out for this device, and I'll be sure to bring you guys videos on it for all the tweaks I could possibly find and all the tweaks I think is worthy for you guys to have on your device. So taking a look at the case again, you've got the SE in the back and it just looks great. You got the UAG down the line, but there's a different groove pattern than to the iPhone 7. So this one has the raised middle, while the iPhone 7 has this depressed middle. So anyways, both great cases, and if you were thinking of getting one, you should definitely get a UAG case. That's it for this video, guys. Yomitosh here, signing out.